Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're looking at the top 15 genius inventions you can buy on Amazon in 2026, a collection of clever, practical, and mind-blowing gadgets designed to make everyday life so much easier and exciting. From smart home upgrades to innovative problem solvers that you never knew you needed, these products showcase a perfect mix of creativity and real-world usefulness. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a home organizer, or just someone who finds cool stuff, check out this list. It's for you. Now, let's jump right into the genius. Number 1. SinCom Hand Massager. The SinCom Hand Massager is a versatile, cordless device intended to deliver soothing relief for tired, stiff, or overworked hands. Featuring 4 massage heads and rhythmic air compression, it targets key acupuncture points across the fingers, palms, and wrists to enhance relaxation and promote better circulation. Equipped with 2 heat settings that range from 95 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it helps to ease off stiffness and coldness, making it perfect for arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, and daily strains. With 3 massage modes, 3 intensity levels, and a rechargeable 2,500 mAh battery, offering 4 to 5 hours of use, it adapts well to your comfort needs. Compact and travel-friendly, it's perfect for home, office, or travel. Priced at $68.98, this thoughtful wellness tool also makes a great gift for anyone who relies heavily on their hands. Number 2. Errorless Heating Pad. Errorless Heating Pad. Heating neck and shoulder relief, comfort, soothing warmth after a long day. Weighing 2 pounds and measuring 17 inches by 23 inches, this electric heated wrap in an instant heats up in just 30 seconds to provide full coverage over your neck and shoulders. There are 6 temperature settings from 104 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and 4 options for timers, 0.5 to 2 hours, plus auto off for safe, personalized heat therapy. The stone seat edges will keep it snug, while the ultra-soft, skin-friendly fabric allows you to cozy up. The adjustable, detachable controls make the pad easy to machine wash for long-term use. This is the perfect gift for men, women, seniors, or anyone seeking daily relief from birthdays to Christmas, or simply for an anniversary. $32.99. Number 3. Energize Lab iLick. Energize Labs iLick is a fun, interactive robot pet for kids and adults alike. Packed with emotions, idle animations, and mini-games, iLick responds to touch on its head, tummy, and back with a raft of expressions depending on how you've been playing with it. No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is required, just turn it on and start having fun. When multiple iLicks meet each other, they are able to chat, play, or even have playful quarrels, creating a dynamic and engaging experience. Its frequent firmware updates add new emotions, functions, and games to iLick, keeping it ever entertaining. Compact, cute, and interactive, this is a perfect gift for friends, family, or children, offering endless fun and companionship. With a price of $139.99, iLick should be a must-have robotic companion. Number 4. Plaude Notepin. The Plaude Notepin is a high-tech, AI-driven voice recorder for pros, students, and everyone in between who needs efficient, hands-free note-taking. With AI transcription and summarization supported by GPT-5, Claude 4.0, O3 Mini, and Gemini 2.5 Pro Beta, there is support for 112 languages, detailed summaries, mind maps, and to-do lists, ensuring high productivity. The Notepin weighs only 0.59 ounces and comes fitted with a magnetic pin and clip for attachment to apparel. It supports 64 gigabytes of memory, continuous recording for 20 hours, noise cancellation, and one-touch control. Privacy is key through encrypted local and cloud storage. The Notepin currently costs $159, a price that includes a charging dock, USB-C cable, magnetic clip, and 300 free transcription minutes per month. Number 5. Comet Mocha. The Comet Mocha iPhone. 17 Pro Camera Grip is a versatile and user-friendly accessory designed for mobile photography enthusiasts. Specifically optimized for iOS 26 and compatible with iOS 17 and 18, it requires no additional apps, ensuring a simple and privacy-safe experience. The magnetic grip offers an ergonomic handle for comfortable shooting and includes a detachable multifunction remote to switch camera modes, flip lenses, adjust exposure, and wake the screen with ease. Made from durable, easy-to-clean silicone, it features an anti-drop design and a convenient keychain hook for portability. The Mocha grip also includes a built-in 1/4 inch thread for tripod mounting, supporting both portrait and landscape modes, making it ideal for content creation, streaming, or outdoor photography. Priced at $34.99, it's a practical, professional-grade tool for iPhone photography. Number 6. MoveSpeed GD10. The MoveSpeed GD10 Portable SSD is a high-performance storage solution for creators and professionals on the go. With its interactive touchscreen, it shows real-time transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, temperature and power status, making data management intuitive and chic. Its USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 interface allows blazing fast transfers, letting you transfer full-length movies in seconds. The GD10 supports direct 4K 60Hz ProRes HDR video recording from iPhone 15 Pro, and later, perfect for mobile filmmakers. Housed in a durable aluminum alloy casing, it ensures superior protection and heat dissipation while maintaining sleekness and portability. With ultra-low 4.5 watt power consumption and a 3-year warranty, the MoveSpeed GD10 combines reliability, speed, and cutting-edge design. Available at $118.99, it's best for professional storage on the go. Number 7. Sicily Black Sponge Holder. The Sicily Black Sponge Holder is the fashionable, functional solution to organize your kitchen sink. Constructed from rust-proof 304 stainless steel, it's durable and easy to clean, resisting deformation. Compact in design at 9.25 inches by 3.97 inches by 6.37 inches, it's ideal for kitchens with limited space, holding a sponge, a detergent bottle, a sink stopper, and as many as 4 brushes with the upgraded brush holder. Water exits directly into the sink via a rotatable spout that reduces mess on the countertop and cuts cleaning time. A 3-compartment divider has been thoughtfully designed to separate items efficiently and keep your kitchen tidy and clutter-free. Without installation, it's ready to use. It is also a very practical and thoughtful gift for every home. For $14.99, it's an indispensable kitchen organizer. Number 8. HCNT Floating Bulb Lamp. The HCNT Floating Bulb Lamp is an astounding combination of innovation and style for home, office, or creative spaces. Employing magnetic levitation technology, the LED bulb smoothly floats over the wooden base and rotates 360 degrees to achieve a dazzling visual effect in complete silence. Equipped with electromagnetic induction for power supply, it has no cables or built-in batteries, and its touch-sensitive base has enabled easy on-off control. Fitted with a soft 60-lumen LED, it offers soft, friendly light to the eyes with a rated lifespan of 50,000 hours. The magnetic base securely holds the bulb, which will be kept safe even in the case of a power cut. It is perfect as a desk lamp, night light, or gift for a birthday, holiday, or special event. Priced at $70.99, this lamp combines elegance and functionality with the wow factor. Number 9. Ranvu Ace3. The Ranvu Ace3 is an advanced wearable cooling device, engineered to bring powerful relief in extremely hot conditions. It is powered by the exclusive IceMax technology, which uses 4 cooling engines for instantly dropping the temperature within a second, and effectively functions even in temperatures of above 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with 7 air ducts and dual Peltier modules, it sends chilled air across your whole upper body for the feeling of carrying an air-conditioned portable environment. While Smart AI mode will automatically switch on its cooling function according to the ambient temperature and your vital signs to maintain comfort. Whether you are outdoors, hiking, or commuting, the modern times indoor work environments are also covered. It's fitted with a 7,000 mAh curved battery for all-day cooling, plus 22-watt fast charging and use-while charging capability. Selling for $220.06, the AIC3 is a premium solution to stay cool anywhere. Number 10. Ono Roller. The Ono Roller Jr. is a uniquely designed, non-distracting fidget tool to help relieve stress, anxiety, and tension without breaking focus. Unlike noisy spinners, this compact roller works silently and is perfect for classrooms, offices, or quiet environments. Tailored for smaller hands, it's lightweight, softer, and ideal for kids, teens, or anyone who prefers a smaller grip. Its patented dual roller design lets you enjoy smooth and satisfying motion that promotes mental clarity through the use of gentle, repetitive rotations. You can curl it with your fingertips, slide it between your palms, roll it across a surface, or even use it for a light hand massage. There's no wrong way to enjoy it. Constructed from durable ABS plastic with a soft touch finish, it's resistant to chipping and fading. For $22.40, this is a portable and reliable stress relief companion. Number 11. Latimeab Eye Massager. Latimeab Eye Massager. Designed to deliver soothing comfort and targeted relief for tired eyes, headaches, and stress. Using a combination of gentle compression, vibration, and heat up to 107 degrees Fahrenheit, 42 degrees Celsius, it works to relax the entire eye area and upper face. Operating at low noise levels under 45 decibels, the massager provides a soothing experience that's almost comparable to being in a quiet library. Its simple one-button control allows you to switch with ease through 5 modes. If that wasn't enough, there is built-in music and Bluetooth support, so you can take on those very relaxing tones or blast your favorite playlist. The 180-degree foldable design and adjustable headband make it portable and suitable for most users. Fully rechargeable in 3 hours, it offers up to a week of daily 15-minute sessions. Priced at $29.99, it's a very thoughtful, soothing gift for any occasion. Number 12. Supernova Bluetooth Speaker. The Gravastar. Supernova Bluetooth Speaker. A robust mix of futuristic design and immersive sound with vibrant lighting. A perfect setup for parties, outdoor escapades, or everyday listening. Crafted by an international acoustics expert, its unique triangular structure produces crystal clear stereo audio and can be laid flat or stood upright for versatile use. Powered by a 30+ watt volume booster amp, distortion-free sound is delivered even at maximum volume, impressing casual listeners and audiophiles alike. Bluetooth 5.3 provides fast, stable connectivity up to 100 feet, while the 9-hour battery keeps your music going. The 8-color RGB light show syncs to the beat, transforming any setting into a lively atmosphere. Priced at $159.95, the Supernova is both a portable speaker and a captivating LED table lamp. Number 13. Wulaka Levitating Plant Pot. The Wulaka Levitating Plant Pot is an amazing marriage of technology and nature that is designed to elevate any space, quite literally. With magnetic levitation, it floats gracefully above its base and rotates 360 degrees, giving your plant full light exposure while adding a mesmerizing visual effect. Suitable for small bonsai or lightweight plants up to 300 grams, this levitating pot offers a unique way to show off the greenery at your home, office, and creative spots like cafes and hotel lobbies. You can choose your favorite species and plant them in this pot to give a personal touch. As a highly advanced decorative piece, this will make a memorable gift on birthdays, holidays, and other occasions. For $67.99, this floating planter melds style, innovation, and relaxation into one captivating creation. Number 14. Digiiera Magnetic Portable SSD. The Digiiera Magnetic Portable SSD is powerful, durable, and ultra-convenient. It targets creators, pros, and regular people alike. It comes fitted with universal USB-C compatibility and will work easily with laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, and smartphones, though only iPhone 15 series and newer support the magnetic adsorption. This magnetic adsorption will hold the SSD in place attached to your device so that it doesn't slip off when you're filming, walking, or multitasking. You get blazing fast speeds up to 2,000 megabytes per second read, and 1,800 megabytes per second, write on USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 perfect for large video files and 3D projects. You can capture 4K ProRes directly to the drive if you have an iPhone 15 Pro or 16 Pro. Available number 15. Fontic B10 Pro Max. Fontic Slim V8. Apex is compact, lightweight 4-in-1 cordless mini vacuum, suitable for small cleaning tasks in the car, office, or at home. An 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor provides this 4-in-1 miniature vacuum machine with up to 19,000 pascal suction for dust, sand, and light debris. With 2 modes of suction, it extends runtime to 40 minutes using Eco mode and up to 13 minutes on Max mode. This ultra-light vacuum weighs only 1.1 pounds and also sports 10 practical accessories for vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping, making it highly versatile. The Type-C fast charging system enables full power gadgets in 2.5 hours. Moreover, the HEPA filter captures 95.99% of fine particles. It has one-touch, mess-free emptying. Compact, portable, and sellable at $65.99. It's a great tool for quick detailing and tight spaces. Thanks for watching! These top 15 genius inventions you can buy on Amazon in 2026 prove that innovation is only getting smarter. If you enjoyed discovering these clever gadgets, then like and subscribe to the video for more, and share it with others. Drop a comment and let us know which invention impressed you the most. Stay tuned for more amazing finds coming your way.